Power BI's biggest strength lies in how easily it connects to diverse data sources. Whether your data is stored in a local Excel file or a cloud database, Power BI has built-in connectors that make importing simple. This flexibility is vital because modern businesses often deal with scattered data, from spreadsheets and servers to cloud platforms like SharePoint or Azure. At the core, Power BI is designed to pull all these pieces together, giving you a unified view of your data. On the home ribbon, the Get Data button is your gateway. It opens a list of available connectors, ranging from Excel and CSV to SQL Server, SharePoint, Oracle, and even web APIs. This ability to centralize data from multiple locations without manual merging makes Power BI incredibly efficient. Instead of switching between files and systems, you get a live, interactive platform that refreshes with the click of a button, keeping insights current and reliable.